How we travel. Travel means to go from one place to another. We travel to go to school or college. We travel to go to work. We travel to visit friends and family. We travel to see new places. We also travel to visit holy places. In ancient times, boats, bullock carts, horse-driven carriages were the only means of transportation. But nowadays, quicker means of transportation have been developed. The different modes of transportation can be divided into three main categories: land transportation, water transportation, and air transportation. Let's first study about them. Things people use to travel on land are called means of land transport. Vehicles like bullock cart and horse carriage are driven by animals. These are used frequently in villages for carrying loads and for people to move from one place to another. These vehicles are used for short distances and few people can only sit on them at one time. Vehicles like bicycles or cycle rickshaw are driven by man. We use them to go to school or market or visit our friends. Trains have a locomotive and wagons connected with it. Trains need tracks to ride on and pick up speed. It can go really fast. A train can carry many people at a time. Such trains are called passenger trains, and these are not much costly. Trains are used for carrying goods also. Such trains are called goods train. Some vehicles run on machines. These machines need petrol, diesel, oil or CNG to run. For example, motorcycle, car, bus, truck, train, etc. A car can be used by a family for moving from one place to another. More than 50 passengers can travel together in a bus. That's why buses are used for public transport. Trucks are used for carrying goods from one place to another. There are several modes of air transport too. For example, helicopter, aeroplane, etc. Just like birds fly in the sky with the help of wings, same way an aeroplane has wings that helps it to fly. But a helicopter has no wings. It can fly with the help of a set of large blades at the top that go round very fast. A helicopter can stand in one place in the air and can take off and land vertically. Air transport is used to travel very far off places. They are very costly, but they are the fastest means of transport. For adventure sport, people use hot air balloons and gliders to fly in the air. The hot air balloon has a large balloon on top called an envelope. Passengers stand in a basket beneath the envelope. Interestingly, the hot air balloon was the very first form of air transport to carry humans. A glider is similar to an aeroplane but has no engine. The design of its wing and flowing air currents enable it to fly in the air. Astronauts use rockets and spacecrafts to travel in space. Spacecrafts travel far more than any other air transport. They can travel to outer space. They help in space research by transporting goods to space scientists. Water transport includes vehicles that move on water, for example, ship, boat, submarine, etc. Ship is used in wide rivers and seas. It can transport people or goods. The person in charge of the ship is called the captain. A boat is mostly used in shallow water. Sometimes They have paddles. The motorboats have a small motor. Water transport is less costly but takes more time as they move slowly. Have a nice day.